If you've ever sent out an invoice in QuickBooks and later realized something wasn't right, maybe the amount was off, maybe the transaction was canceled, or maybe it was simply created by mistake. Don't worry, today I'm going to show you exactly how to void a QuickBooks invoice quickly and correctly in this updated 2025 guide. The good news is the process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through every step so you can avoid errors and keep your financial records clean. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the QuickBooks online website. In the top right corner, you'll see the sign in button. Click that and enter your login email and password. If you can't remember your password, QuickBooks gives you the option to reset it, so no stress there. Once your credentials are in, hit sign in again and you'll land on your QuickBooks online dashboard, the central hub for your accounting. Now it's time to locate the invoice you want to void. Look to the menu on the left-hand side and click Sales. This opens a set of tabs, and from there, click Invoices. You'll now see a full list of all your invoices, paid, unpaid, and pending. Scroll through until you find the specific invoice you need to void. Once you locate it, look for the small drop-down menu next to the invoice. Click it, and you'll see several actions you can take. Among them is the option labeled Void Click Void, but keep in mind, this action is permanent. Because of that, QuickBooks will ask you to confirm your choice one more time. When the confirmation box pops up, click Void again, and that's it. The invoice is now voided and will no longer affect your books. Voiding invoices when necessary keeps your financial data accurate, prevents reporting issues, and helps you stay organized, especially when managing multiple clients or transactions. If this guide helped you, feel free to explore more of my tutorials for simple, stress-free QuickBooks tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.